Well, good morning, Jayendra Rana here. So, product of the day is machinery loss of profit insurance. Machinery loss of profit insurance. MLOP or the machinery loss of profit insurance helps businesses recover from losses due to machinery breakdowns or failures. So MLOP insurance can cover loss of gross profit, increased cost of working, standing charges, additional expenses to maintain business processes and salaries and wages paid to employees. MLOP insurance is based on the underlying material damage policy, which excludes certain perils such as fire, theft, nuclear perils, and wear and tear, etc. So, MLOP policy is suitable for businesses that rely heavily on machinery, including small and medium enterprises, SMEs, and even corporates. So, MLOP insurance policy covers more than just physical damage to machinery, but also the financial losses resulting from the breakdown of the machinery. It also covers the extra expenses a business may have to incur in order to quickly resume operations after a machinery breakdown. These costs include temporary reaccommodations, overtime wages, and expedited repairs. This insurance is intended to protect a company's gross profit margins by reducing turnover due to decreased production as well as increasing costs due to expedited repairs and alternative arrangements. So when machinery malfunctions, a machinery loss of profit insurance policy provides financial security. See the characteristics of machinery loss of profit insurance policy. Because the insurance for machinery breakdown is usually purchased in conjunction with this policy. When the machinery is repaired, insurance coverage typically continues during the indemnity period, during which the policy continues to cover the residual effects of the breakdown. So, as opposed to property insurance, MLOP insurance covers indirect financial losses or consequential losses associated with a breakdown. So, in the aftermath of machinery breakdowns, machinery loss profit insurance covers additional cost of working. Insured products can customize their MLOP policies to suit their specific needs. Businesses can continue their operations and maintain financial stability after a breakdown of machinery by purchasing this insurance. Now, question is, who needs the machinery loss of profit insurance policy? So, the MLOP insurance policy is relevant and beneficial to a wide range of businesses across a variety of industries. Following is a list of some businesses that could benefit from this policy, that is, say, construction firm, manufacturing firms, energy and power industry, automotive manufacturing, textile industries, mining operations, technology companies that produce electronic goods and components. So whenever critical machinery fails, for example boilers or pressure vessels, in any industrial or manufacturing facilities, revenue streams can be jeopardized. In the event of such unforeseen losses, you can require a machinery loss of profit insurance policy to protect your business. But this insurance policy can cover income lost during such disruptions, ensuring that its financial obligations are met. When your business's machinery break down, you may need to find alternative equipment or machinery to keep your operations running. In addition to covering the cost of repairing or replacing damaged equipment, this policy also covers related expenses such as expedited repairs and temporary rentals. By covering these increased expenses, the policy helps your business maintain operational efficiency. When one part of the policy chain is disrupted due to machinery breakdown, suppliers and customers may face delays. But the machinery loss of property insurance provides a means of mitigating these ripple effects. Furthermore, having an MLOP policy in place demonstrates your commitment to risk management. Our customers, suppliers, and partners will be more likely to trust your business as a result. Now, MLOP policies provide the coverage. Say first one for gross profit loss due to reduced turnover output. So an MLOP policy covers a business financial losses resulting from a reduction in turnover output caused by an accident. An insurance company's coverage is determined by subtracting the projected or anticipated revenue from the operating expenses such as wages, rents, and other fixed costs. The gross profit is the result of subtracting operating expenses from revenue. If the business was in operation during the indemnity period, the insurance company would compensate the business for the difference between actual gross profit and estimated gross profit. And an increased cost of working. When machinery breakdowns occurs, businesses often need to take immediate measures and incur additional expenses to resume operations and mitigate the impact on their bottom line. So they might need to expedite repairs or bring in specialized technicians for swift resolutions. In cases where machinery repair timelines are uncertain, businesses may opt to rent or lease temporary replacements. So machinery to maintain production. Occasionally, businesses may have to relocate their operations temporarily to alternative facilities or locations, incurring additional labor costs. A machinery breakdown results in these extra expenses referred to as the increased cost of working, which are covered by an MLOP policy up to the policy limits. And the third one is coverage for consequential losses. So breakdowns in business machinery cause production delays, disruptions in supply chains, and ultimately financial losses. It also compensates for income lost during the downtime. Financial indemnity is provided for these losses. When machinery is not operating, fixed costs like rent, salaries, and overhead expenses accumulate. This policy covers these expenses, relieving a business's financial burden. So there are some examples. Say a biscuit manufacturing company's crucial machine breakdown. This resulted in cancelled or delayed orders, so impacting their cash flow and customer relationship. In addition, while production is stalled, the company still incur fixed costs such as salaries, rent, and utilities that further strain its finances. Furthermore, urgent repairs or replacement of the machinery are necessary at considerable expenses, including expedited repairs, technical expert fees, and temporary rental costs. So in such a case, this biscuit manufacturing company had wisely invested in a comprehensive machinery loss of property insurance policy. The MLOP policy compensates the company for income lost during production downtime, reducing the immediate impact of the cancellation or delay of orders. As a result, the company does not have to worry about paying salaries or maintaining the facility during the production halt, since the continuing fixed costs are also covered by the policy. Aside from expedited repairs, the policy also covers temporary machinery, rentals, and other additional expenses. The sum insured for machinery loss of profit insurance policy is typically based on an estimate of gross profit, which includes net profits along with the standing charges such as custom duty, freight, and other fixed expenses. The premiums for this type of policy are determined by various factors, including sum insured. The higher sum insured, the higher the sum insured, the higher the premium, as the insurer is exposed to greater potential liability in case of a loss. Time required for repair or replacement means the length of time it takes to repair or replace a machine can affect the premium. Longer repair time may result in higher premiums due to increased risk and potential for longer periods of business interruption. Then availability of spare parts. If spare parts for the machinery are readily available, it may reduce the risk of prolonged downtime and consequently lower the insurance premium. An indemnity period, the agreed upon indemnity period, which is the period during which the insured is covered for loss of profits, will also influence the premium. Longer indemnity periods may lead to higher premiums. And type of machinery, the complexity and value of the machinery being insured can impact the premium. More expensive or specialized machinery may require higher premiums due to the increased replacement or repair cost. Risk factors such as the industry in which the insured operates, the location of the machinery, and the insurer's assessment of the insured's risk profile can affect the premium. So overall, the premium for machinery loss of profit insurance policy is determined based on a combined or combination of these factors, with the sum insured being a key component along with considerations related to repair time, spare parts, availability, indemnity period, and risk factors specific to the insured's operations. Now, MLOP should be considered in conjunction with a machinery breakdown insurance policy, which covers direct damage to equipment and machinery caused by mechanical failure, electrical failure, and operator error. So the lack of production, missed deadlines, lost revenue, increased expenses, and other financial losses can result from a covered machinery breakdown. MLOP provides coverage for more than just physical damage to machinery. As a result of the machinery breakdown, the business may suffer reduced sales, increased operating costs, lost profits, and ongoing fixed expenses. It compensates the business for all of these losses. This is different to ALOP. MLOP is always different to ALOP. ALOP is advanced loss of profit. The advanced loss of profit covers financial losses incurred by businesses when they are delayed in completing a project due to unforeseen circumstances. The MLOP specifically covers losses caused by machinery breakdowns that interrupt operations. The additional loss of advanced loss of profit insurance covers delays in starting operations caused by project-related causes such as construction delays and disruptions in supply chains. So the purpose of MLOP insurance, on the other hand, is to cover the loss of revenue and additional expenses incurred during a downtime caused by a breakdown of the machinery. While the advanced loss of profit insurance policy typically kicks from the originally planned completion date of the project until income can be generated for the business. So after machinery breakdowns, the indemnity period for MLOP insurance extends until the machinery has been repaired or replaced and normal operations can resume. So policyholders can file a claim with the insurance company when a covered machinery breakdown leads to a business interruption. The insurance company will assess the extent of the machinery breakdown, the damages caused, and the resulting impact on the business's profitability. Insurers will assess how much damage has been caused by the machinery breakdown and the impact it has had on the profitability of the businesses. So an indemnity payment will be provided by the insurance company if the claim is approved. So thank you very much.